Hello and welcome back to MyMetaverseMinute.com, your place for the latest news, views and opinions from the Metaverse. Now, today I want to talk to you about what you can find in our latest newsletter. Our newsletter is only available to subscribers, so if you want to read the whole thing, you must subscribe to MyMetaverseMinute.com. Head to the website and you'll find the subscription area down at the bottom. This week, I'm going to be addressing sector by sector how the Metaverse will impact your industry. I'm going to focus on 4 key industries that I think the Metaverse will have a massive impact on. It's part of the general acceleration economy focus. We're going to be looking at financial services, healthcare, manufacturing and retail. In the newsletter, my article will cover how the Metaverse will impact these areas specifically, how we predict the Metaverse will impact these areas, and how you can stay informed and get ahead of the game to ensure that when the Metaverse does begin to infiltrate your systems and your business as a whole, you're well prepared. Until next time, stay tuned and stay curious.